Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It is also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share a work from home jobs from Propellor. As you can see here, they are hiring for big data engineers GCP. So the notice period would be immediate to 15 days, and you must have skill sets on tech stack, Python, SQL and GCP, and the CTC would be best in the market. So to know more detailed information, you please go through the website link that is mentioned here, and to apply for this position, the link is given below in the description box.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.